Hi, I would like to take you through a short demo on noveltech inventory management system. System is very easy to use. Um, we'll be starting from manage items. Here you have two menus here, which is the input of items and the edit and delete. The first stage in this system is to input new items to the stock. You have a category, name of item, you have the quantity, cost price, and the price you're going to be selling out. Then you have a brief description. Now you can have an existing category or a new category. The next menu will be the edit and delete of items. In the edit and delete window, we have the reduce quantity. Let's say you want to reduce quantity without actually going through the normal transaction. You can reduce quantity, you can increase quantity to an existing item. Then you can edit price, and you can also delete item. And here we get to transaction. Here under the transaction menu, you can actually make a sale, you can reserve, you can manage reservations, and you can reverse transaction. Now to make a sale, you can either input the customer name in the case of printing out invoice. You have 3 items in stock. You can use this to filter. And if you select any of the item, you put quantity. Let's say you're selling one. You have an option to put the discount. So you're putting a discount of 1,000 naira. You had the item. If you choose another item, yeah, two, and the discount of 1,000 naira also. This is yeah, it's trying to tell you that the quantity you have in stock is less than 2, so you cannot choose 2 items. So let's say we have just one in stock, yeah, and this is your total. So from here, all you need to do is make a sale. Yes. So the same window is used for the reservation. Then the next menu is manage reservation. This is where you get to manage a reserved item. You can get to sell the item or return the item to the stock. Then here is where you get to reverse a transaction. Every invoice or receipt printed out will carry a transaction number, so you have to insert the transaction number here to search for the transaction in that batch, so you can reverse the transaction here. Then here you have the user control. Here you can add new user, you can delete user, and you can you can activate menu or deactivate menu for each user. So all the menus that are available on this system are here. So all you need to do is either activate or deactivate menu. Any menu that is deactivated will not be the user will not have access to the menu. So it's very easy to use. And you have change of password. Of course, if you're logged into the system and you want to change your password, this is where you get to do that. Then you have end of day. This is where you run the end of day for system. You have the opening cash, that's the closing balance for the previous day, the total number of transactions, the cash received, then the total for everything. Then you can have the profit if you entered your cost price perfectly. Then you have the remittance, maybe the money you saved to a bank. So the closing balance, let's say yeah, you have 50,000 and your remittance is 40,000. Your closing balance will be 10,000, which means the next day your opening balance will be the closing balance of the previous day. So you get to check out transaction for the day. The next menu is the report. Here you get to see the stock report, the transaction journal, and the financial history. The stock report, that's the items you have in stock. You can print out and you can save into Excel or PDF file. And next one, as I said, is the transaction journal. These are transactions you made for a particular period of time. Let's say from 1st of April to present date. You can see transaction you made for each day and total transaction for each day. Next is the financial history for a particular period of time. You can see your opening cash, your cash received, total, the profit made, and the remittance made for every date between this period of time. Thank you for watching.